There's another appeal for recovered COVID-19 patients to donate convalescent plasma. Now, this can aid in the treatment of persons who are moderately to severely ill. So how does it work? Shamela Pullen has the details in this Primetime News special report.
Over 1,700 Jamaicans have so far recovered from COVID-19. However, of that number, fewer than 10 have answered the call to donate blood, from which convalescent plasma can be harvested to help treat new cases. Dr. Kelvin Metalor is the director of the Intensive Care Unit (ICU) at the University Hospital of the West Indies, UWI. Dr. Metalor says the hospital has just over 20 persons who have COVID-19 and would need convalescent plasma. But with recovered COVID-19 patients shying away from donating blood, he showed us the process of collecting the plasma to help alleviate any fears recovered patients may have.
I was zooming right on the neck, and you see that there's a line coming from the neck. That's not the usual position, or it's not always the position we put it. It's only when it is very difficult we go for the neck. In this case, it was difficult. We get an access from the neck. You can see a line with a red knob on it. Can you see that with this red knob? All right, that's blood coming from the patient. All right, the blood comes from the patient and goes to the machine.
Dr. Metalor further explains that this is a highly specialized convalescent plasma machine where the separation takes place.
It goes deep into the machine where separation takes place, right? Inside of the machine, it separates the plasma from the red cells. The red cells are the cells in the body that carry the oxygen. And the plasma is sent to a special bag, and that's what you can see there. You see the yellow liquid there?
Yes.
That's the plasma that comes out. So the machine separates the plasma, okay? And it returns the patient's blood, the red cell to be more precise, back to the patient.
This plasma can be stored and made available as needed after matching it with a patient's blood type. But more persons need to donate.
Only the persons who have adequate antibody levels will be invited to donate. But you would never know if you have antibody levels that are high enough until you have been screened. So go online to the UWI website to www.uhwi.gov.jm/COVID-19 plasma and fill out a very short form. It takes less than 1 minute, and we'll contact you and invite you in for the antibody screen.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has authorized convalescent plasma therapy for people with COVID-19. The FDA is allowing its use during the pandemic because there is no approved treatment for COVID-19. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.